Whether you're a beauty enthusiast or an English language learner, familiarizing yourself with a makeup list of terms can be quite an adventure. In this video, you will learn a wide array of terms that will help you communicate better about these essential beauty items and their usage. Hello guys, it's me again. Welcome back to the channel English with Farshad. The basic makeup words. To start your journey into the world of makeup, you need to be familiar with the basic terms. These terms are fundamental to understanding more complex makeup concepts and techniques. Foundation. Foundation. A skin-colored cosmetic applied to the face to create a uniform complexion, cover flaws, and sometimes change the natural skin tone. Concealer. Concealer. A type of makeup that covers up dark circles, age spot, big pores, and other small skin flaws. Blush. Blush. A cosmetic product used to add a rosy color to the cheeks, typically available in powder, cream, or liquid form. Mascara. Mascara. A cosmetic for darkening, lightening, curling, coloring, and thickening the eyelashes, typically applied with a brush. Eyeliner. Eyeliner. A tool for defining the eyes. It is put around the eyes to create different looks. Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. A cosmetic that is applied on the eyelids and under the eyebrows. It is often used to make the wearer's eyes stand out or look more attractive. Lipstick. Lipstick. A beauty product that gives color, structure, and protection to the lips. It is made of pigments, oils, waxes, and emollients. Bronzer. Bronzer. A powder or liquid makeup product that gives skin a sun-kissed appearance, often used for contouring. Lip gloss. Lip gloss. A product applied to the lips to give a glossy luster and sometimes subtle color. Powder. Powder. A type of cosmetic in a powdered form, often used to set makeup or provide light coverage. Brow pencil. Brow pencil. A tool used to fill in and define eyebrows. Lip liner. Lip liner. A pencil-like makeup product used to define and shape the lips. Lash extensions. Lash extensions. Semi-permanent fibers that are stuck to your own eyelashes to make them look longer and bigger. With these makeup words, you've taken your first steps into the vast vocabulary of beauty. Make sure to practice them as you continue to explore this colorful and creative field. Skin type and color terms. Different skin types and colors require different care and products, so it's essential to know these terms. Understanding them will help you choose the right cosmetics for your skin or someone else's. Oily skin. Oily skin. A skin type that produces excess oil, often characterized by a shiny complexion and larger pores. Normal skin. Normal skin. A balanced skin type with no severe sensitivity, dryness, or oiliness. Tanned skin. Tanned skin. Skin that has darkened as a result of exposure to the sun. Fair skin. Fair skin. A light skin tone, usually with cool or warm undertones. Acne-prone skin. Acne-prone skin. Skin that tends to develop pimples and acne due to overactive sebaceous glands. Mature skin. Mature skin. Skin that shows signs of aging, like wrinkles, fine lines, and loss of elasticity. Rosy skin. Rosy skin. Skin that has a pinkish tone, often associated with health and vitality. Dry skin. Dry skin. Skin type that lacks moisture, which can lead to flaking and sensitivity. Combination skin. Combination skin. The skin type that is both oily and dry. Typically, the forehead, nose, and chin are oily, while the cheeks are dry. Sensitive skin. Sensitive skin. Skin type that is prone to inflammation and adverse reactions such as redness, itching, or rashes. Pale skin. Pale skin. A light or fair skin tone. Olive skin. Olive skin. A skin tone with a slightly greenish or yellowish undertone, typical in individuals of Mediterranean or Hispanic descent. Dark skin. Dark skin. A skin tone that is rich in melanin pigmentation, can vary from moderately to very dark tones. Now you're equipped with the vocabulary needed to discuss various skin types and colors. This knowledge can assist you in finding the most suitable products and in sharing beauty advice. So guys, this is the end of the first chapter of this video. Keep up with me for the next episode.